ho, ho. No, not Christmas yet, but what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You know what? I think I came up, well, it wasn't just me, but my best friend always wanna throw in her little 2 cents or whatever. So she helped me to come up with a name for you guys. And I'm gonna call you guys the Mod Squad. So what's up, Mod Squad? Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today, baby. I really love that. That is so funny to me. Today we have Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure Palette. And I am going to, ooh, did it do a little thing? Did it? Or was it just me? It was just me. I thought it had some like back and forth holographic thing going on. It was just me. My eyes playing tricks on me. I actually need to go to sleep, but I'm so dedicated to this 12 days of Queet that I'm going to give you guys a look. So if you guys are not familiar with the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure Palettes, which I wasn't myself, but there's a lot of neutrals and shimmers inside of here. It's really pretty. Let's see. Let's move this plastic so y'all can get a real feel. So yeah, it's really pretty. These colors are actually right up my alley because I am a more neutral girl, actually. Even though you guys see a lot of like colorful tutorials and stuff like that, I stick to my neutrals when I do apply shadow. So this year I am planning to do something a little bit more spicy. So we'll see. I don't know exactly what, but we'll see. So today I'm going to do a look with this palette. And I hope you guys are ready. Because I'm ready. So we're going to get into this tutorial. Ho, ho, ho. It's the tutorial. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Ho, 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 it's the tutorial. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Okay, Quisha. Never mind. But, so let's get into this eyeshadow look. Can we? This is not going to be like one of those review videos. I'm just literally going to like pretty much dig in. I need to get these eyes primed. Okay, as always, for the past few months, we have been going in with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 5. This is what it look like. I need to hurry up because I know the sun is not going to be my friend today. I feel it. So I'm going to take this crown brush and just apply that on my eyes. I don't have to do like the regular type of, you know how they apply like so much P. Louise base. I don't have to do that today because we're going in with the neutral shades and we're not doing nothing too crazy. So we just want to lay that down as a base. Lay it down. Whoa, lay it down. Lay your head on my pillow. Lay your head on my pillow. Oh, oh. Yeah, I know I could do that, did y'all? Oh, can you woo, woo, woo? Oh, can you woo, woo, woo? Woo, child. I'm feeling silly today, as you guys can see. So, taking my Morphe M513 brush in my YouTuber's voice. Taking the shade Lock It. It is like a neutral pinky tone. It's a nude like brown, which you guys not really gonna see, but it's still cool because it's gonna be a transition shade anyway. This is my first time ever using Dose of Colors, and it seems pretty smooth. So my best friend called herself trying to surprise me, but she ended up showing me the palette a few days ago. So I've never heard of this palette, so I looked it up, and to my surprise, this palette is $50. So somebody was thinking of me. Oh, and I appreciate it, baby, baby, baby. So I'm gonna take the color Key. I got the keys. This brown shade right here where my finger is. And I'm going to apply that right underneath that other shade. And as you can see, I haven't switched the brush because who does that anyway? I barely switch brushes unless I'm blending two colors together. But right now, this kind of like my pack down method. So we kind of like packing this color down. This is really soft though. These shadows are super soft. Okay, Dose. Oh, come through, Dose. Are y'all seeing this anyway though? Cause I feel like the sun ain't gonna do me no justice. I'm gonna have to probably turn my ring light on. So excuse me if the video gets a little ratchet or whatever. But I feel that I can't really see myself. That's really the issue right now. I'm gonna just take this and kind of like add it like that right there, like that, out there like that. Yeah, this gonna be very neutral, and I'm gonna tell the lip gonna be a surprise. I ain't gonna tell y'all. So I'm gonna take the shade Map. I'm the map. And it's like this is literally like a nude shade too. Like all of these colors are like nudes. Pretty much. Even the shimmers are like nudie. You're nudie. I'm not seeing this. And I think it's because the sun is trying to go down. But I really don't want to turn the light on because it's just going to be like, sis, your video is all over the place. Then I'm going to take a shimmer shade in the shade Coin. Should I do that one? Or Pearl? I'm going to do Coin. I'm going to do Coin for the brown, the deep girls today. So Coin it is. Coin it does. Because we get our coins. Well, I ain't got no coin. I'm trying to get one. I'm trying to get to the coin or whatever. Oh, that's cute. Come on, Coin. Because come through. Because what? Hey. When you thought Coin wasn't going to come through, but it came through for you. Ooh. Then I'm going to add Key, which is the dark brown shade underneath. Because we want to get a little smoke a little bit. Just a little bit. You know what? I'm going to add some glitter underneath that. You know what? No, I'm not. We're going to keep this like it is. You ain't got to be all extra and do all of that. You could just chill. Calm down. Serving the girls very much. Mrs. Claus. Okay. So. Dum dum dum. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum dum. So I'm taking Milani's Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amore and Obsession. And we're going to mix those together. I don't know what they're going to look like. This is literally literally very freehand work. So if you're into that type of thing, I said freehand. I mean, you know, off the dome, shorty. I love this red though. On phone now. Yes! I told y'all Mrs. Claus is in the building. Yes. Mrs. Claus is here. Mrs. Claus is here. Y'all, I gotta turn the light on because this is looking real Shanae-ish right now. Ah! See? Now y'all can see. Because now I can see. Because I don't know what was going on at first. Your girl couldn't see nothing. But now I see. Yes. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Ho, ho, ho. Another tutorial. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. So now that the lights are on, I can see that this little tan looking shade on my eyes need to be warm. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Locket that I used. This is literally like me just coming up with something. So I hope y'all don't try to judge me. Because I'm a makeup artist. And I'm sensitive about my stuff. Ha! Y'all thought I was going to say the other word, did y'all? Nope.
Got it!
So yeah, we putting Locket on top of that because it's a warmer shade. And it's going to kind of like, you know, I'm feeling myself. Period. Poop. This red is giving me everything. Life and so much more. It looks redder on camera. I'm literally gonna mix these shades, so I do want to clean up around the mouth area and make the lips more, you know, cute. Taking my foundation that I used earlier before church, and I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter of my mouth. And this is gonna be like one of them real normal looks. So if you going to do something with the family, just tell them today you weren't really trying to you weren't trying to step out on them. You was just chilling on them. Like you was just giving everybody a chance this day. Psych, cause this red lip is popping. It's popping. We don't give out chances. We slay. Cause we slay all day, all day. Hey, hey. I slay all day. Cause I slay all day. We don't give out chances for the those. Chances are for the weak. Okay, I quit, y'all. Maybe I could take that shade Coin. Cause it's a pretty like golden shade. And I think it's gonna look real nice as a highlight. So we're gonna, oh yes, yes. Coin is about to be my new highlighting shade. Y'all see it? Period. Coin. Coin is in the building. Coin is showing out. Come on, Coin, cause what? Who ain't got the coins? You ain't got the coins. This fat, or whatever. This fat, or whatever. I gotta put Coin on as a highlight, like for real. At this point, Coin is serving. Don't ever sleep on Coin. Period. Coin is a little pigmented too. It got that like don't want to spread out spirit on it, but it's cool. So yeah, I think this is it. Like I don't have, you don't even have to do lashes. And I'm thinking I don't want to do lashes just because like, why? But then again, I mean, I sell lashes, so I probably do need to just put them on just in case somebody's interested in purchasing, you know. So I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll be back. So I'm back. And even though this wasn't a review, I would like to just say, if you're into neutral shades, go ahead and pick up the Hidden Treasures by Dose of Colors, the palette. I'm saying, look at this. This was just easy. I was literally like stacking colors on top of each other. This is probably the easiest look I ever did on my channel thus far. Serving you girls. It's very sultry, sexy Mrs. Claus. And off camera, I did add my little mole because y'all thought I was going to forget, but I didn't. Even though I've been forgetting in the past, like other videos. But we going to say that for the past. Like, don't bring up my past. My mole is still here. It never left. It's real. Not real, but it's cute. So, y'all, come on. Because who is she in the red lip? It's me. It's me. Yes. See, a red lip, baby, a red lip will do it, okay? You ain't got to do too much. This is what I say. Look, if you're going to do too much on the lip, the eyes need to be just simple. And look at this. A beautiful look. It's a look. It's a slay. It's an easy slay. It's an easy slay. These are the Lash Style Modesty. They are beautiful, literally, especially on big eyes. But I've had a few people with smaller eye shapes who wore these and they looked really nice on them as well. But like, they not here, so y'all just gonna look at these beautiful big eyes in the Lash Style Modesty. Go pick them up today. I will have them linked down below in the description box, baby. So yes, if you want to support, go ahead and shop Modesty Lash. It is a Christian lash line, Christian inspired lash line. And like I said, these are the Style Modesty. A little shoulder for the girls. As I told you guys in the beginning of this video, y'all my squad now. So you with the gang, you with the mob, you with the squad. Now, I'm saying. So we throwing up M's. Throw up your M's, squad. This is the end, sadly. I know y'all just hate to see me go. But if you want to see more of me, you can go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Subscribe. Join the family, the Mod Squad, because that's a new name. So Alexis, thank you so much for my Hidden Treasure Dose of Colors palette. So nice. Thank you. Merry Christmas, everybody, if you watching this video around that time, because I know some people may not get to my channel yet. But, you know, everybody who's an old subscriber, I'm prolonging this because I look so good and I keep looking at myself. To all my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you guys also for 957 subscribers. We almost at 1,000, y'all. Hey, if you here, be here then, period. Because we moving on up, and I'm telling y'all, I remember everybody who was here, we started from the bottom. Started. Alright, y'all. I will catch y'all in my next video. Stay blessed. Stay beautiful. Peace.